Welcome everyone. The first step to sign out of your Apple ID account is we're going to open the settings, and inside of the settings I want you to locate where it says screen time, and if you don't see the screen time option you're going to tap on general, and then you're going to tap on restrictions. And before we proceed, screen time has to be turned off, so you must turn this one off. And if you have the restrictions here, the restrictions must be turned off. So I'm going to enter in my passcode for the screen time, and I'm going to turn this one off. Now once this is off, you can head over to the home page of settings, and you should see your name at the very top. And if we do, we're going to tap on our name, and then we're going to scroll to the very bottom, and you should see the sign out option right here. On the very old software, you will not see your name at the top of settings, so just skip 20 seconds. I will show for the older software in a bit. But on the newer software, we're going to tap on the sign out, and it's going to ask you what data you want to keep. And so we're going to tap on sign out again, sign out, and it's now going to sign out. It may prompt you to enter in the password for your Apple ID account. And this will sign you out of your iCloud, it will sign you out of your Apple ID. And before we move over to the older software, just very quickly check any messages here, and just make sure you are signed out of your iMessage and your FaceTime. If you're not, there will be a sign out button in those areas of settings. For the older software, you don't see your name at the top. You can see, I see my name here, but I don't here. And in that case, you're going to scroll all the way down, and you should see iCloud. You can see that one here. And I want you to tap on iCloud. And then you're going to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see the sign out option right here. And so if we see the sign out option here, we're going to tap on the sign out. We're going to sign out again. And let's delete all of my data from the iPhone. I'll delete this. And now it's going to sign out. And this is useful if you want to sell your iPhone or you want to create a brand new Apple ID entirely. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.